Once we have received our BQ from our client or our KS, then we can import our project into our own BuildSpace Pro. So we can just log into our BuildSpace Pro, click at the BuildSpace button here and click tendering. So if you have done your tendering process in your own BuildSpace Pro whereby you have already imported your project inside here, then you can actually skip this step. But if you have not done your tendering process in your own BuildSpace Pro, but was actually using the BQ editor in the client server, then you will be required to import your tender project first. So we will use the project that has been provided to us by the client or the client's QS. We just have to click import tender project, select a BQ file, and select the BQ file, click open, and just click import. So once we click import, you will see your project listing over here. So you just have to double click and then it will be a blank BQ. So we don't have a rates which was submitted during the tendering process, but if you have done your tendering process in your own BuildSpace Pro using here, then by right you should be able to see your rates because it's already been imported previously. You don't have to import 2 times. Okay. Alright, so now if let's say after the project has closed, means the tender has closed, the client side or the client's QS actually created an addendum. Therefore, please do make sure with them that you have the latest addendum revision. Means by right, we have original build, addendum 1, addendum 2. Make sure with the client it's actually up to addendum 2 only. If it's up to addendum 3, for example, you will need to request to the client or to the client's QS to provide you with the addendum 3. And once you have received addendum 3, then what we have to do is we just have to import our addendum inside here by clicking import addendum, select a BQ file, import our addendum, click open. And then we just have to click import. So you will have the latest addendum revision. This is because we have to tally our addendum revision with the client side also to ensure when we provide them with the exported rates is also up to the latest revision for them to import. Okay, so make sure on that so that you can proceed with the following steps and there will be no errors. Okay. Alright, so that's how we can actually import our project and also import our addendum.